I think we're just about ready to get going here. A warm welcome to you wherever you are in the world. I'm Peter Drury, and here with me in the commentary box, I'm glad to report, is Jim Beglin.
Cheers, Peter. It's a privilege to be here. It really is.
The lineups for the game. So it's all... Pedro. Matic sticks in a foot to win it back. Mohamed Salah passes it through. Mohamed Salah. Bakayoko. Forward it goes. Now it's Azar. Bakayoko. And it's Pedro. Pedro with a long pass. Jordan Henderson. Wijnaldum goes looking. He's got away. Shapes the shoots. Worth a try. Shame about the outcome.
Firmino really improvised cleverly there. His quick thinking almost paid off in real style. Yeah, this has been pretty decisive, no doubt as to who the better side is.
Wijnaldum gathers from the goal kick. Looks to slip it through. Firmino! Oh, he did the hard part right, but fluffed the finish.
Oh, it was such a clever pass that flummoxed the defence, and it could well be revisited, this.
It so nearly came off for him.
Yeah, he's been at the centre of a lot of things, hasn't he? Mostly good, I should add.
Ball's gone out of play. Now it's Mane. He's got away. Out for a throw. Jordan Henderson in towards the middle. Cahill plays it forward. Some good play on the left-hand side now to profit from it. Tries a through ball. Mohamed Salah. The shot's on! He's done very well to get to that.
The keeper really dug out his defence then. A magnificent effort.
Gets his head to it! He will be livid with himself. And the through ball is intercepted. Now it's Azar. Bakayoko. Pedro, looks like a good ball through. Shoots! Oh, he's really drilled it. In with a header!
That's great defending to cover for the goalkeeper and just get something in the way.
It's gone for a throw-in. And it's Willian. Out wide to the right. Van Dijk. Pedro. It's Pedro!
Well, to put it this way, he's probably made better decisions.
Now it's Roberto Firmino. Firmino tries to get it forward quickly. Towering header! No, he couldn't get the direction he needed.
Chelsea can defend those situations better by stopping the crosser at source.
He ran himself into trouble there, free kick given away. And the referee has shown him a yellow card. And it's Azar. Can't get the better of his opposite number. It's a loose ball. Floats one over. That's gone a long way up and away. Firmino. Now the pass. Mohamed Salah looking to get on the end of this. Mohamed Salah. And the finish! And he nearly went all the way.
He was set on rounding it off in fitting style, but he couldn't make it fit.
It's out for a goal kick. Wijnaldum gets it back. Back into the middle. Firmino. Pedro. Deftly done. It's a promising ball. He's left his back. Willian! Could fall kindly. Just off target.
A more than decent attempt, Peter.
Room for a shot, hits one! Oh, the keeper's done ever so well.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
Moses threw himself at it, but he's got it cleanly. Mane going full steam ahead down the left flank. Looking cross-field, changing the point of attack. David Luiz. Good spell of possession. Oh, he's caught him there, it's a free kick. He gets the ticking off and needs to be very careful now.
Yeah, and he's just entered the last chance saloon. One wrong move now, and he's in trouble.
It's going to be the final action of the first half. Both sides have drawn blanks. They have toiled at times, but it's not been a bad game by any means. What have we learned from the first 45 minutes?
It's been all left field, and while the supply has been decent, it's bringing no reward, so this needs a different approach.
Interesting half, just missing goals, so don't be surprised if the second half brings a change to the scoreline at the break. 0-0. Has a hit! He's delivered all right!
Well, this guy is just not your average footballer, alert and sharp, and while one or two others were still digesting the manager's half-time team talk, he's already delivering another lead. What a good player.
Really outwitted one-on-one. Once more, he gets the better of the keeper.
Peter, I can tell you, that was nothing short of a cold-blooded execution.
There is some activity down on the touchline. It seems there's going to be a change. Liverpool take the lead, 1-0.
Well, whatever the manager said in that dressing room at half-time, it's worth the treat.
Hazard with the ball through. Willian. Oh, that's neat. Takes aim with a great leap! Jordan Henderson plays it forward. Mane. Now it's Roberto Firmino. Mane looking to get on the end of this. Gets up to head it! They've done it! A 2-goal lead and they're firmly in control. Just so calm under pressure.
Oh, this fella's as slippery as an eel the way he freed himself to score. I mean, for that defence, it was a case of, now you've got him, now you don't. Brilliant.
Liverpool get themselves a 2-goal cushion.
Well, at 1-0 this contest was still nicely poised, but now that it's gone to 2, mindsets are affected a lot more. Winning belief one way and that losing feeling the other.
Hazard. How about it? Milner tries a through ball. He's away. Out to the flank. Mane. Mane's cross. Moses passes it through. Willian. Looking to shoot! Mane, that's really nice. Now, what next? Just brushed off the ball there.
They're actually not getting too tight, which is interesting.
No.
It's probably cautionary. Don't dive in, try to pinch it or intercept so nobody can get in behind.
Conte. Moses. Conte. And it's Hazard. Well, it's normally around now that the managers think about making changes. Pedro. Now the pass. He's gone for it! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay.
Well, one sloppy lapse like that can do a lot of damage, and it was triggered by the closing down.
Looks to play him in, but a minor communications breakdown.
Well, you have to feel a little for the player being taken off here. I think he's been made the scapegoat after that, but I guess something had to be done. I suppose it did need a little change.
Firmino. And he's cut it out. Cesc Fabregas. Marcos Alonso. Aimed long and direct. Going through. Oh, really good feet from him. Pedro is fouled. Shakes the shoots. Oh, the ball's come loose. Firmino set up 1 goal so far, but it's Firmino. It's broken loose. It's Salah! More and more and more and more. They are running riot. And the lead is extended still further. Terrible error, duly punished. Three without reply. This is becoming a stroll. Forward it goes. Fabregas. Conte. Looks like a good ball through. Muffed Hedgerow! Jordan Henderson. And it's Hazard. Looks to slip it through. Jordan Henderson, Oxlade-Chamberlain, Jordan Henderson, Azpilicueta battles to win it back. Hazard with the ball through. Oh, he's in! It's Willian! Oh, outstanding save. And it's Henderson. Firmino spreads it towards the left. Aimed in towards... Up to meet it! Oh, he got himself into a great position. So that's it. It is all over. Liverpool enjoy their perfect day.